this video, we'll show you another example of how to set up a simple spreadsheet. Let's do a grade book. So let's suppose there are 5 homework assignments, and homework is 25% of the grade, and 3 exams, and the exams represent 75% of the grade. And so what we want to do is be able to set up a spreadsheet that would compute each student's final course average, and then we could assign letter grades using VLOOKUPs, a later topic. Okay, so what you want to always do in a spreadsheet is separate your inputs from your outputs. Your outputs are each student's final grade average. The inputs are the homework weight and the exam weight. They must add the 1, but let's just enter them separately. So the homework weight would be 25%, let's say, and the exam weight 75%. So let's enter some student names. So we'll have Brittany, Paris, Kim, Lindsay, Taylor, and Kate. Okay. So we want to get their homework grade, so we could say there's 5 homework assignments. So homework 1, homework 2, and if you select those 2 cells and copy it across, Excel learns the pattern. So you have homework 3 through 5, you have exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. Okay. Now we want to get the homework average, we want to get the exam average, and then over here we might put the course average. And the beauty of this spreadsheet will be, if we change the inputs, then basically the outputs will change. You'll see that soon. And that's why you want to separate your inputs from your outputs. You don't want to hard code your inputs in formulas. Although I've been told by many of my clients when I go to teach at companies, people do hard code the inputs in formulas, but then you don't know where you've changed them. So let's make up some grades. We can use a function called RAM between. So RAM between like 70 and 97 is equally likely to put in any cell an integer between 70 and 97 inclusive. So if I copy that across and down, I get like grades very easily. Now I hit F9, those change, so I want to freeze them. So if I do right-click copy, right-click and hit the 1, 2, 3 key, the formulas disappear and I just have numbers, so I can do grades. So let's get the homework average. So I would say average these 5 homeworks. Copy that down. Let's get the exam average. I'd say average these 3 exams. Now, the course average, I would take the homework weight, hit F4 to $ it, times the homework average, plus the exam weight, hit F4 to $, or else when you copy it down, the F8 would change to an F9, which would be a disaster, times the exam average. So let's just give that a name there. We'll say Chloe. Okay, and then I should put the name person here. Okay, now if I copy that down, okay, so that would be row 11, that's right. So just drag that down, and we get our worst student was Katie Perry. Oh, I want to change that, so I'm going to give her a 98, so she is now a much better student. Oh, we'll give her a 95 here. Okay, so Katie jumped up to be the second best in the class. Kim Kardashian, not a big fan. She gets a 57 on the second exam. We lower her average. Let's give her a 45 on this one. I think that's commensurate with her abilities. Okay, so the point is here, if I would change the weights, like say it's 90% exams and 10% homework, so that gives 90% of the weight to exams, or I could say it's 50-50, and then everything changes, and that's the beauty of separating your inputs from your outputs. Okay, so that concludes this simple video on how to create a grade book.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.